I love you, I care about you deeply. You mean everything to me. I'm in love with you, my heart is yours. I adore you, you are my world. I'm crazy about you, I have strong feelings for you. You are so special to me, I cherish you. I'm deeply attached to you, you complete me. I can't stop thinking about you. You make me so happy. I'm thankful for